Some business models live under perfect skies, others survive by reading the storm early. Tractor's Supply Company has built its fortune under a very specific rural weather pattern. The long-term forecast is steady. Animals still need feed, fences still break, and rural customers still want someone who knows their world. But new fronts are moving in: rising costs, softer rural sentiment, controversy risk, and big boxes creeping outward. Tractor Supply's edge is how it navigates those microclimates, leaning on community, loyalty data, and AI that supports people instead of replacing them. If you enjoy